just spooked a deer walking into these woods. You know, I gotta tell you, there's nothing quite like spooking 250 pounds of grace. Beautiful pine woodland. That's where that deer just was, right next to this birch bark. Does it get fresher than that? As I was walking down here, I just spooked a herring. Thing took off. See you later. It's probably on the other side of this little pond. You can see why the deer love it here. You know, tracking without snow isn't very difficult. You can see there's a path right here. Right over there is where I found that deer scat. If you just keep following it, see one of her steps right there. You can see that she had her front toes splayed out as well, which is pretty common when they're running in mud. And you can see her toes right there. And if you look up, right underneath that leaf, is where she took another step right there. See the disturbance? You can see her hoofs right there. Each toe. She just kept right on going. She probably took a right, because the road is to my left, so she probably took a right, went up this ridge, and she's probably on the other side of the pond. I don't know if she went right or left. She probably went left because the road is also to the right, so she has more room to her left. Alright, here's where she took the corner. Right there. Looks like she planted her front left foot to go right up that path on the ridge. Wood sorrel. Don't mind if I do. Love that stuff. Man, would you look at this. Talk about beautiful. Partridge berry. Delicious. Thank you. Most appreciated.